Oh wow, look at this, a brand new story is jumping out. Bluey races across the living room, her paws thumping like tiny drums. Bingo spots the fluffy teddy, her eyes shine bright with sparkle. Bluey snatches the teddy quick, it squeaks loud like a trumpet. Bingo gasps and points excitedly, her tail wags like crazy. Dad pokes his head from the hall, his eyebrows wiggle in surprise. Mom leans against the doorway, her smile hides a little laugh. Muffin bursts in with silly zoom eyes, she spins around like a top. The teddy wiggles in Bluey's arms, Bingo lunges forward with a hop. Like this video before it flies away, and subscribe the channel for more fun. Bluey giggles with high squeaks, her paws slip across the tiles. Bingo tumbles and rolls sideways, she pops up still laughing loud. Dad shouts whoa in booming voice, he slides across the floor dramatically. Mom claps her hands quickly, her eyes sparkle with mischief. Muffin grabs a cushioned shield, she charges like a knight in armor. The teddy squeaks again sharply, everyone freezes mid-action. Bluey squeezes it tighter, Bingo puffs her cheeks wide. Dad crawls across like a sneaky crab, his tail wagging in silly rhythm. Mom whispers calm words softly, her voice smooth as honey. Muffin suddenly leaps super high, she lands with a heroic thud. The teddy slips from Bluey's grip, it bounces across the room. Bluey gasps with round eyes, Bingo yelps then dashes quick. Dad dives like a goalkeeper, he tumbles in rolling circles. Mom stretches her arms wide, the teddy zooms right past her. Muffin screeches with playful drama, she twirls after the flying toy. Bluey leaps toward the couch, her tongue pokes out in focus. Bingo bounces under the table, she springs back up like popcorn. The teddy wobbles on the cushion, it jiggles like jelly dessert. Bluey scrambles up huffing, her paws clutch the edge. Bingo climbs right after her, their giggles mix like bells. Dad plops down on the couch, the whole seat shakes wildly. Mom laughs till her cheeks glow, her joy fills the room. Muffin tumbles into a blanket pile, she pops her head out silly. The teddy rolls into Bingo's paws, she squeals with delight. Bluey narrows her eyes playfully, she growls then reaches close. Dad spreads his arms wide, he blocks them like a wall. Mom cheers for everyone loudly, her voice rings like music. Muffin sneaks under Dad's legs, she snatches the teddy fast. Everyone gasps at the surprise, their mouths hang open wide. Bluey and Bingo chase together, their laughter echoes like magic. Muffin stumbles on the carpet, the teddy soars into the air. Dad leaps with silly roar, he snatches it upside down. Mom claps with bright delight, her smile warms the space. Bluey hugs Bingo with relief, their fight melts into laughter. Muffin cuddles a cushion instead, she giggles at her own joke. Dad tosses the teddy gently, it lands safe in Mom's lap. Everyone piles together in a hug, warm paws tangled with joy. The teddy rests in the middle, and the whole room glows love.